All Barbie's favorite sweets turned into tiny slimes. Stretchy honey, soft gum, a slime cake, and even slime with letters inside? Learn miniature Barbie slime ideas in our new video. Cindy arranges a tea party for her dolls. She drinks tea with sweet honey. But this serving of honey is way too big for Barbie. What should she do? Not sweeten Barbie's tea? Fortunately, Stephanie and her Barbie friend come to the tea party. The dolls won't be bored anymore. Plus, Stephanie has brought mini honey along. It's perfect for Barbies. Mix clear glue with liquid soap. Add hairstyling gel and acrylic paint. Stir it. Pour in Nefazoline decongestant drops as a thickener. Make slime that looks like honey. Put the slime into a little glass bottle. Close it with a cork. Apply hot glue to the tip of a toothpick. Make cuts around. Make it look like a wooden honey spoon. Coat it with acrylic paint and cut off the excess using cutting pliers. Cover the spoon with clear nail polish. Wrap twine around the bottle. Fasten the spoon to the bottle. Stephanie puts the doll honey onto the table. It looks just like the real thing. The dolls reach out for it and take out the honey slime. It's so much fun to play with. Barbies stretch the slime all over the place. They transfer their fun to the girls. They also enjoy playing with the tiny slime. This doll honey perfectly stretches out in your hands. The doll tea party continues. Cindy prepared a surprise for Stephanie. It's a delicious cake. Come on, make a wish. Stephanie wants a festive cake for the dolls. The wish has come true. Stephanie made a little slime cake just for this occasion. Mix pink kinetic sand with light clay. Add shaving foam. Knead soft, spongy slime. Put it into a round box. Shape a mini cake. Decorate it with plastic roses. Hot glue a plastic bow to the box. Cindy invites the dolls to taste the pink slime cake. Wow! Who would have thought it's actually slime? We shouldn't be afraid of extra calories, so they'll happily enjoy the cake. Barbie has a mysterious jar of doll orbit gum. But the moment Barbie touches a piece of chewing gum, it turns into slime. Squeeze snow spray into a container. Add a spoon of cornstarch. Pour in clear glue. Add borax. Mix white slime. Coat a plastic pot with white acrylic paint. Add a layer of clear nail polish and attach a printed orbit label. Shape slime into chewing gum pieces and put them into the orbit jar. The orbit chewing gum stretches out in your hands. Wow, take it easy! Modern technology turned the chewing gum into actual slime. You can stretch one piece of orbit to cover the whole room. Barbies love this fun game. Cindy wants to make a gift for the doll guest. What should she give her? How about colorful balloons with slimes inside? Pour shampoo into liquid soap. Add clear glue and some toothpaste. Squeeze out shaving foam. Add a few drops of Nefazoline as a thickener. Mix liquid slime. Fill a syringe with it. Stick a wire into a little balloon. Fill it with the slime. Wrap thinner wire to fasten the balloon. Make a few balloons of different colors with slimes inside. Put them together. Tie the wires together with a rubber band and decorate with a satin ribbon. The doll gratefully accepts the gift. These balloons are so soft. Will they really never pop? Of course not, because there's slime inside. The dolls really like this original present. They love balloons and slime. The dolls are catching up on the latest news from the capital of toys. Suddenly, a tasty gift appears on the table. It's a box of candies, but it's not regular. It has colorful slime inside. Coat an empty thumbtack box with acrylic paint. Add a layer of acrylic polish on top and attach a printed candy label. Pour some water into clear glue. Dissolve boric acid ointment and add gel laundry detergent. Mix white slime. Divide it into 4 parts. Add acrylic paint to each part. Use yellow, red, green, and blue colors. Put a baking cup into the box. Shape slimes into balls and put them in. The Barbies start playing with the slime right away, but once they take the colorful slime with their hands, it comes to life. The candy slime crawls away in an unknown direction. Apparently, it has some important slime business. Bye, slime! And here is a doll flower shop. Barbie comes in to buy some plants. The sales girl offers her a weird flower that turns into slime. Add gel laundry detergent to clear glue and some shaving foam. Mix slime. Color it with black acrylic paint and add silver glitter. Pour glitter into a little glass and put in the slime. Plant stabilized moss into the slime soil. Barbie takes slime with moss out of the flower pot. What an amazing plant! This slime moss is very rare to find in nature. This is the only one, just for Barbie. The Barbies are enjoying their drinks in a cafe, but they get a special order. It's a delivery of Rainbow Nerds. This is our Barbie's all-time favorite. Attach a printed candy label to an empty Tic Tac box. Add foam clay to clear glue. And pour in a borax solution. Knead the foam and put it into the box. Barbies open up the box. It turns out that these candies have a slime surprise. Wow! We can have fun stretching the candy slime right out of the box. This wonder slime is so nice. Barbies won't eat these candies, but at least they got a great stress reliever. Our Barbie friends adore snacks. What could be better than a carton of crunchy popcorn? Only Pringles! Barbie opens the package, but it looks like these chips melted. Add toothpaste to stationery glue. Pour in liquid soap. Color the mixture with acrylic paint. Add shaving foam and borax. Mix soft elastic slime. Put it into an empty glitter tube. Make a cap from light clay. Cut off the excess. Attach a printed mini chips label. The Barbies stretch out the Pringles slime from the little tube into different directions. No one else has a snack like this. The girls are sad. What else can we entertain our dolls with? Stephanie has an idea. Let's play a game with making words. We will have clear slime with letters inside instead of a board and game pieces. Add borax to clear glue. Thoroughly stir it and you get clear slime. Stretch it out. Put square beads with letters in it. Wrap the letters in slime and put the slime into a clear pot. Attach a printed label that says Slime Trom Trom. Cindy has never seen slime like this before. She takes the clear slime out of the pot and stretches it out with her fingers. We are trying to guess a word. Let's make up a word from the letters in the slime. We got our favorite, Trom Trom. Barbies love this channel too. Trom Trom slime never lets us down. Did you like our miniature Barbie slimes? Then write in the comments which slimes you liked the most. The ones that look like candies, balls, or letters. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel and click on the bell so that you don't miss new Barbie ideas on Trom Trom.